guys, welcome back to the first episode, actually, not another episode. I might have another episode of this Lego in the making, but we will be doing I honestly have no idea what it's called. The 501st Legion Clone Troopers.
Yay!
It's got like a little walker, a speeder, there's a jet trooper, there's even droids, so let's get into it. Stealing my spotlight. All right. What is up, guys? We have finished, as you could see in that hopefully time-lapse video, if I edited it in there. Well, we have the set. Maya, do you mind picking up the thing for a second? Hold on, let me turn this off to switch the camera. So, guys, this is the Lego set. We've got the Jet Trooper. Let me circle that for you. Jet Trooper, you can take off his mask. He looks like that. He comes with a blaster. Jetpack too. His mask, his helmet, why'd I call it a mask? His helmet is a different color. He's probably either commander or, like I said, he was a special Jet Trooper. So that's the Jet Trooper. We have 3 501st Legion Troopers, normal 501st Legion Troopers. You can take their mask off. They've all got their own specified guns. Let's put this guy back where he was. He was shooting at one of the droids. Oh, God. Shooting at one of the droids. This guy was over here shooting at that specific one. This guy comes in. Pew, pew. Ah! Oof. So, yeah. Then there is this giant walker. Giant clone walker. I actually forgot the name. Comment down below. Actually, I don't think you can comment, though. That's the bad thing. Pew! Ow! There. Okay. So, I do not think you can comment because of something YouTube did. I'm not going to get into that because that would either be a video later on or I just won't talk about it. All these guys have removable masks. Oh, another cool feature is that if you push this thing down, it shoots. Oh, oopsies, I was touching it. Sorry. And then these are really, really powerful. Pew, pew. So, yeah. Give it a like if you like cringy sound effects. Made by me. Ow. Also, give it a like if you found this helpful. Also, do take into consideration to subscribe. You guys, it's totally up to you guys. If you like my videos, you can subscribe. If you don't like them and find them not helpful, or you just aren't into subscribing or aren't into my channel much, that is totally up to you. This is Dylan, first Lego review. Peace.